why you should never start a conversation with a potential client talking about your offer. You want to lose a prospect in less than 30 seconds? If you do, lead the conversation with a potential client talking about your offer, talking about your solution, and watch what happens. They're not interested. It's not about your system. It's about their story. So next time you have your conversation with a potential client, say something like this: Mr. Prospect, before we go anywhere, I'd love to hear what's been weighing on you lately. Share with me a little bit of your business journey so I can appreciate you a little bit more. Is that okay with you? That simple shift changes everything. It moves from pitch mode to partnership. And in fact, you probably won't shut them up because you're giving them the opportunity to share their story with you. And there's one thing people love to talk about, it's their story. And they'll talk about it even more if they know and feel that you are listening to them, you are present with them, and you are really appreciating what they're sharing with you. So on your next conversation with a potential client, forget your offer, okay? Forget your solution. Start the conversation by talking about their world, their journey. See what happens. On the screen there, you'll see peterbeckenham.com/hello. Book a time and I'll share some more insights with you, okay? That'll help you taking your business to the next level and in ways that you may have never thought possible. Until next time, best wishes from Thailand. Bye for now.